Yes, you heard me right. And Kogi, they are part of Yoruba. Yes, you heard me right. But I'm not here to talk about Kogi. I'm here to talk about my own state because I'm from Benue State. And note this, I'm not an Igbo guy, nor Yoruba guy. I'm from Benue State. Because people always use the word, oh, Igbo like to claim people thing very much. Before people start saying, oh, Igbo man won't claim Benue land again. Now, Benue boy, they talk this one now. You know, the truth of the matter is, Northerners really do a great job on Nigerians. When I say Northerners, the Fulanis, they really did a great job and they are getting away with it because a lot of us, they don't know anything and most of us are still sleeping. Now, Nigerians only have 3 regions and 3 ethnic groups. But our difference is language. That is why you see people that are Isa are Igbos. But when Isa speak, most Igbo will not understand him. And when Igbo speak, most Isa will not understand Igbo. And these people are Igbos. Likewise, Yoruba, when Ijebu man speak, it will be so very difficult for Lagos regular Yoruba man to understand. Our difference is our language, but we are the same people. Now, what did the Northerners did to us that caused a lot of issues among us? Now, look at the map up here. You can see how big the map is. Now see where they carve out for Igbos and Yoruba, very little portion of the land. Now, Northerners take the remaining out of that land to themselves. Forget that North Central way that they talk. That style of taking the part of Igbo land and Yoruba land. Now, when you check the map, see say Benue, I'm talking about my own state. Now, you see say enter Igbo land where. How the thing take them middle? Now, when you check Kogi, you go see say Kogi enter Yoruba land where. How it take the inside middle? When you check Kwara, the same thing. Kwara enter Yoruba land where. How the thing take them middle? But just because of say, may they claim many land to themselves, they do middle belt,